Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Dave in here, always helping you play creatively. So I remember this particular Sunday like it was yesterday. I was playing behind the worship leader in my dad's church, and she decides to sing a song that we did not rehearse. Oh my goodness. I was not a fan of this type of thing. You see, at that time, I had to have every song memorized. My ear wasn't developed. I remember my mom looking at me from the front row, trying to tell me, "David, please fix your face." Everybody could see the anger written all over it. If only my ear was developed, I probably wouldn't have been so frustrated. So today we're gonna look at really an on-ramp for how do you develop your ear. Let's get right to it. The first thing that I would do to develop your ear is I would start to sing songs and then try to figure out the melody on the piano. So here's an example using Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Let's try to find those notes. Twinkle, 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 twinkle. Ah, I found it. Twinkle, twinkle. That's not it. Twinkle, little, little. All right, so that's it. Once you find all of the notes for the melody, I would actually then have you write that down, and that would be step 2. So you would write down all the notes for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So step 1, learn the melody. Step 2, write down all of the notes for the melody. Then in step 3, you're going to actually look at all of the notes that you've written down, and then you're going to determine what key you're in. I realized that none of these notes have flats and sharps, and so I'm going to determine that we're going to be in the key of C. Okay? And so then I would write down all of the chords that are related to the key of C. So C would be C major, D would be D minor, E would be E minor, F would be F major, G would be G major, A would be A major, and then B would be B diminished, okay? Now let's pause right here. I have a chart that you could download with all of your chords and all of your scales. Feel free to download that chart in the links below. So once you've done that, I would then match the melody to the chords. And this is really going to be a trial and error process, just like you did when you sung the melody and then you tried to find the notes on the piano. And so we have, and I would probably start with chord number 1, twinkle. All right, that's C major for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle. Ah, it fits on the next set of notes. Little. Now you start to hear that there must be a change somewhere. You start to sense it. You start to feel it. And so then that's when I would go, maybe look at the next chord. Little. Okay, that one fits. Let's try to see if there are any other chords that fit. Little, little. No, that doesn't fit. Little. Ah, that fits so much better. Little. So let's start over. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. All right. I feel that a change needs to happen, so let me go ahead and change. Little star. Start from the beginning. Star. Ah, that's it again. All right. And so you go through that process for the song and learning how to develop your ear. Hey guys, if you would like to continue your development in learning how to play by ear, I have a link in the description below. It's an ear training exercise that you can use to practice this skill. Feel free to download that in the description below. But until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.